Here I have a SAT math question. Okay, let's go with the information. So we have a triangle. In the figure above, line segment D is parallel to line segment AB. If AD equals to 6, DC equals to 3, and AB equals to 18, what is the length of DE? Okay, here, so in the given triangle, the segments DE and AB are parallel. So when the two line segments are parallel, the third line segment which intersects both the parallel lines is called transversal. So BC is a line segment which intersects the two parallel line segments AB and DE. So BC is a transversal and AC is also the transversal because the line segment AC also intersects the two parallel lines AB and DE. Since the two parallel lines AB and DE is intersected by the transversal BC, and the angle measured over here and here are corresponding angles and they must be equal. And so here AC is also transversal. So because it intersects the two parallel lines AB and DE, so the angle measured over here, the angle measured over here are corresponding angles. So these two angles must be equal. So the two angles of the triangle ABC are congruent to the two angles of the triangle DEC. So these two triangles must be similar by angle-angle similarity postulate. Okay, so to have much clarity on this question, let me draw the two triangles separately. So first, let me draw the bigger triangle ABC. And now I draw the smaller triangle DEC. Okay, here we have B, here we have A, here we have C, and DEC. Already we know that angle measure B and angle measure E are congruent. Angle measure A, angle measure D are congruent. So two angles of the bigger triangle are congruent to the two angles of the smaller triangle DE. So by angle similarity postulate, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEC. Okay, the two triangles are similar. So whenever two triangles are similar, the corresponding sides must be proportional. Okay, so if I take the side AB, okay, let me take over here. If I take the side AB in the bigger triangle, the corresponding side in the smaller triangle is DE. So please take the alphabets in order over here. So if I take the first alphabet and second alphabet, here also I have to take the first alphabet and second alphabet. So the AB, if I take the side AB in the bigger triangle, the corresponding side is DE. So the ratio between them is AB over DE. Okay, now I am taking the side AC in the bigger triangle, and the corresponding side in the smaller triangle is DC, because look at here, taking the first alphabet, third alphabet. So here also first and third. AC over DC. So since the two triangles are similar, the corresponding sides must be proportional. So proportional means the two ratios what we got over here must be equal. Okay, now we can plug in the values for AB. Already we know the length of AB, which is 18, and the length of DE is unknown. That is what we have to find. So we can keep DE as it is. And the length of AC is over here. So 6 positive 3, which is 9, or we can write 6 positive 3 for AC. And for DC, we know the length, which is 3. Okay, let's solve this one. 18 over DE equals to 6 positive 3 is 9 over 3. Okay, now my aim is to solve for DE. So, but since I'm trying to solve for DE, I want this DE in numerator. So we can take reciprocal on both sides. So when I take reciprocal for this one, I'll be getting DE over 18 equals to 3 over 9. Okay, to solve for DE, I have to get rid of this denominator 18 over here. So I multiply both sides by 18. So 18 will cancel out. 9 goes into 9 one times. 9 goes into 18 twice. So finally, I'm getting DE equals to, so 3 times 2, which is 6. So the length of DE is 6. The correct answer choice for this question is option B.